Goa has ramped up to fight COVID-19 and COVID care centers are being set up in various hospitals and hotels across South Goa. Opposition leader Digambar Kamath said the government will also screen people dwelling in areas near the ESI hospital. Any person found symptomatic would be sent for swab testing. Opposition leader Digambar Kamath convened a meeting with Health Minister Vishwajit Rane to review COVID situation in Margao. Marga were panic-stricken after staff dwelling in ESI hospital quarters were tested positive. Digambar said Health Minister has agreed to swab test all the staff of ESI quarters and to screen people staying in Azad Nagar and Mariaban nearby areas of ESI hospital.
Yesterday I had said that we require certain areas to be totally screened and some swab tests wherever required. One thing is decided that ESI hospital quarters will be, everybody is being taken for swab testing. This is one thing. Azad Nagar, Mariaban and neighboring areas behind the stadium, they will start from tomorrow the screening. They are starting screening tomorrow. But any patient or anybody gets temperature or cold, they will immediately send him for swab testing. They will cover up Kharela in Khareban area, then Sinelata area where municipal workers are residing, and the area behind your fire brigade station, that some Band area is there, that they will cover. Minimum tests have to be done whoever is coming by train, because there are lots of complaints that people are coming by train from different parts of the country. They are sent for home quarantine and then they don't follow the home quarantine rules. They are not supposed to get out of the house. They are moving around, and this is the normal problem faced. Police also said that they are getting calls saying that somebody is going out buying something and all like that. So that I have suggested to him, but he has promised me that he will take it up with the state executive committee.
Goa is the only state where we are doing testing to this extent. We are only state which we are asking for COVID-19. We are the only state where we have ramped up testing to such an extent that today confidently standing in front of you, I can tell you that our testing capacity is beyond 2,500, up to about 2,500. They are doing themselves around 1,400-1,500 between Chikale, between Ponda, Auspiso, Azilio, between our hospital, GMC, the new machine of Abbott's, which is the latest in technology for COVID, which does about 456 tests a day in a cycle of 24 hours. That has already been commissioned. So as a result of which, we are ramping up parallelly as you speak. And wherever required, wherever required, we will keep on ensuring that our laboratory facilities go on increasing, because this is just the beginning. As a result of which, we will ensure whatever apprehensions are there in the mind of the people of the state in terms of COVID, in terms of people entering the state of Goa, we will see that all precautions are taken. Spike generally happens, it's happening in many states. When as per MHA guidelines, when transportation of goods and other things starts coming into the state of Goa, one has to expect that cases will crop up. We need essential goods also. We need industry also. Right. We need people to carry on business, because people are losing jobs in a very big way. So that should not happen. As a result of which, we in our mind, I think we can easily ramp up our bed capacity and facilities. So parallelly, as whatever is happening, we are slowly increasing. Contractually, we are taking more people in microbiology, whatever under National Health Mission, whatever needs to be done, we are taking it so that we can move forward, and we are ready for any kind of spike. Everybody says there may be a spike in June, July, but that is saying what is actually happening on the ground. We are ready based on the experience of what we have, and our doctors, what they discuss with the secretary and the state ACC which is there, we will accordingly decide what needs to be done. After the strategy असून जाय, फाल्यां तूं जर सगळ्याकडे जर टेस्टिंग बेस्टेच हे करून गेल्यार आमकां तें कळटा मनशाचें कित्याक. आतांच आमी सकाळी डिस्कस केलें की मनीस जर तूं असिम्टोमॅटीक असलो आणि तो जर नेगेटिव्ह आयलो तो काही दिसांनी पॉझिटिव्ह बी येऊ शकता. अँड इट्स अगेन आय एम सेइंग इट विल बी अ फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. म्हाज्या मी मनान कितलेय गोष्टी येता की एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग जावंक जाय, एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंगाचो वापर आमी करपाक गरज आसा, ती फायल बी प्रोसेस केल्ली आसा, पण ताका प्रोटोकॉल आहा. ते प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो केल्या शिवाय ते प्रोटोकॉल आमी कशें आमी कितें फुडें व्हरतले ते केल्या शिवाय इट्स नॉट एडवायजेबल. सो त्याच बरोबर आतांच जे कितें सांगलां की आमी स्क्रिनींग करून पयलीं आमी आयडेंटिफाय करतले खंय सिम्टोमॅटीक पेशंट तेंचे टेस्टिंग केल्यार मागीर वी कॅन रॅम्प अप. वी विल फायंड अ स्लायट क्लू ऑफ वॉट इज हॅपनिंग.
Government has set up various COVID care centers in various parts of South Goa to admit asymptomatic coronavirus patients. South Goa collector has ordered COVID care center in Kolva residency at Kolva, Government College in Kepe, MPT Hospital in Mormugao, Sada. Everyone wants Goa to become corona free, but no one wants coronavirus patient treated in their backyard. On Sunday, Kolva residents were up in arms to oppose COVID care center in Kolva residency. Even former Nue MLA Miki Pacheco has opposed the COVID care center.
We don't want the quarantine care hospital that is there in Kolva. We don't want it because of many reasons. One of them is it's in a residential area. Kolva is a touristic locality. And it will remain. There are other isolated locations that the government should think of. Why are they taking a popular place like Kolva for a COVID hospital? There are isolated. So that's our objection.
When you go ahead and say asymptomatic, it means that the person is a carrier already. So it's confirmed that okay, the virus is there. That person is not reacting to the virus, like the CM said in his speech few days back, saying that Baba, okay, te khonkli na zor na te bipachi goraz na. You understand? However, if the person goes ahead and sneezes tomorrow or touches a place which is touched by others, you are transmitting the virus unknowingly, right? And we've got so many hospitals in the south of Goa. Okay, so when there are so many hospitals, you might say your definition of asymptomatic is not a patient, but it is somebody who is a carrier, which means the person needs special care. May not be a patient but needs care. So let the person be in a hospital. Why do we have hospitals? How on earth do you expect us to go ahead and listen to you? There are other places in the south. Kolva may be the most famous beach as a tourist beach. You don't have to go ahead and make all the hotels in Kolva famous as COVID hotels. We don't want that kind of COVID tourism in Kolva. We're not looking for that. There are other places over here. There's Benalim which is there. There's Varka which is there. There's Fatrade. There is Majodda. I mean, there are so many other places. You can go ahead and select area-wise and maybe keep one in a place if you want to go that as with an SOP of that nature. Our only last hope is the meeting tomorrow with the CM. So we all feel that he should consider our meeting with him and take stern action on that in our favor, and work on it. Else, if that does not happen, then we are going to go ahead and lock our borders and keep our families safe.
जेन्ना इतली हॉस्पिटल आहा प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल आहा आनी कोलवा गांवांत आमगेली टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा GTDC हॉटेल आहा टुरिजम हॉटेल आहा ते कोलवा रेजिडेन्सी आहा ती तेमी कोविड हेल्थ सेंटर केला आतां म्हाका एक समजना एक हॉटेल कोविड हेल्थ सेंटर करपाक थिंगा गव्हर्मेंट इक्विप्ड आहा हॉटेलांकू त्या हॉटेलाक काम कोताय ते परमनंट गव्हर्मेंट एम्प्लॉईज थिंग काम कोताय ते जावं वेटर जावं कोण रूम सर्वीस आहा तो जावं हावसकीपिंग आहा तो गव्हर्मेंट एम्प्लॉईज आनीक ते मेकानिजम जे हॉस्पिटल आहा त्यो वस्तू थिंगा ते COVID-19 हेल्थ केअर करपाक ते डॉक्टर आहाय थिंगा नर्सीस आहाय केअर करपाक कोविड पेशंट आहा ताका हॉस्पिटल जाय तुमकां अंडर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाचेर तुमकां रायट आहा बाबा हुंच हॉस्पिटल जाय ते ब्लॉक करपाक आनीक तुमकां हॉस्पिटल करपाक कित्याक थिंगा नर्सीस आहाय डॉक्टर्स आहाय सगळे आहाय नॉट अ हॉटेल.
Why COVID care center in south only? Why there are no centers in north? This question is in the minds of most people. Rani said a proposal is in process to bring up COVID care center in Kalangut residency. He also replied on north-south imbroglio of COVID care centers.
आम्ही ऑलरेडी फायल मूव केल्ले आसा की कलंगूट रेसिडेन्सी आनी इतर एक दोन कडेन थंय नॉर्थ गोवा कोविड केअर करपाक एकूच कित्याक एक सांगता तुमकां लास्ट वी आर वन स्टेट काही मनान कोणाचें नाशिल्लें की ना एक मिनिट ना राव फॅसिलिटीज इन नॉर्थ गोवा ना एक सांग म्हाका तुम्ही सगळे कडेन भोंवता गोंयांत गोवा मेडिकल
coming on the street right now.
ना हांव राव एक हांव उलयता लिसन टू मी पब्लीक सेंटिमेंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू द गव्हर्मेंट As far as we are concerned also, we will ensure, I think the file, director has told me, is already moved for few centers for COVID care in North. We will ensure that we take the people also into confidence, but somewhere we must realize all the people who are being put in these COVID care centers and in the COVID hospital are Goans. We are not getting anybody from outside and putting, most of the people are from the state of Goa, living in Goa, have been in Goa for several years. तुम्ही जे म्हणता की
आम्ही म्हणणार
ना ना
even the health worker they say it is a pressure for 2.5 months we are stretched to the the police are saying the Kadamba drivers are saying the revenue officials are saying आमचेरच किती आडला काय म्हणतात सावताक सगळे
म्हाका एक सांग सावताक हाडला म्हणून सावताकूच म्हणून हाडूंक ना ESI हॉस्पिटल आमचे कडेन अवेलेबल आशिल्ली आनी ESI हॉस्पिटलाचे कडेन त्या तरेचे आमी वी कूड रॅम्प इट अप वी हॅव रॅम्प इट अप एंड वी आर लकी बी एट दॅट हॉस्पिटल. सेम टायम गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज एक कडेन आसा, आमकां टर्शियरी केअर सेंटर गोंयान सरकारी म्हटल्यार एकूच आमचे कडेन आहा, तेजेर बी लक्ष दवरपाची गरज आहा. आजिलो हॉस्पिटल बी आहा, तशें जर गरज पडल्यार आमी दुसरी कडेन बी आमी फेसिलिटीज रॅम्प अप करूं शकता, तुमी चिंता करपाची गरज ना.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.